Hey, watch out! Welcome to the Sonoma Scoots, guys.
Oh, hi. We're doing this now? Okay.
We're in the rain. If you couldn't tell, it's very slippery.
It's really not raining.
It's very slippery.
Okay, let's try to go ride flat on deck gap. Let's go try to ride flat.
No. Yeah, so we can't really ride right now, but we're still gonna do it anyway, just for y'all's enjoyment and entertainment. Thing. What the fuck? What? Oh, tail whip flat. Let's see a triple whip. God damn. Hey, film me real quick.
Oh. Logan, check this. I'll do that too. Bangers, bro. Look at that. You have the blind push up on your phone?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I'm gonna ride flat on deck.
Yeah. So that deck,
Jump on the deck gap.
that deck over there is so slippery, and we're gonna go ride flat on it. All right, I'm gonna set my phone up, and we're gonna get some clips.
That's so funny. Oh, because you lean out hot when you try poop like this, and then you like hop out.
Bro, it's like.
What? Do heel whip. I ain't never seen you do a heel whip.
Bro. Oh shit.
I'm flat. Bro, does it again. I got it, guys. Why do you have a Red Bull in your pocket?
Bro.
Ah, don't worry.
Bro.
Do like 180 and then like fakie out. I do 180 fakie run. Oh, I need to get that whip. You don't land like a perfect. Yeah.
Oh. So we set up a hammock, and Logan is currently inside of it.
Stop filming me. You stop filming me? I don't
Yeah.
think he wants to be filmed, Chris.
What is that?
Another hammock.
Oh.
Brother got another hammock.
You should put it like above his
That's
hammock.
what we were talking about the other day.
Look at Logan's shoes. He has duct tape. He's duct taping them right now, but like that's the inside of his shoe. And he was riding box with that.
I have a hole in my toe. It's like leaking blood.
Yeah.
It's a little graphic, but...
We got hella scooters, bro. Scooter 1, Scooter 2,
Hey,
Scooter 3,
to me.
Scooter 4, Scooter 5,
Wait, what do you have?
Scooter 6. Bars.
Whose scooter is that?
It's like one of theirs, one of them's. I still think about you.
God, that's such an aura picture. Like,
I know, look at Noah, just like
aura flick.
cue the flawed mangoes song. I know he used. How's that shit coming along, Logan?
Yeah, actually, pretty awesome.
These are gas, but they make me so thirsty. Hi,
Hi guys. Noah's running ranked in the hammock.
Huh?
Noah's running JM ranked in the hammock.
Times, but you'll get over it. You got another life to live. Shout out Lil Uzi, bro. Can y'all tell that he has duct tape on his shoe? Did you hear that?
What? It's a smooth filler.
I'm with an AP, spit 200K. Tell no frost, rainbow face. I'm fall off. Ain't no way I'll be alright, but I ain't okay. Set up the other hammock. I'll help you.
I am gang. I'll set it up between here.
I'm so happy it stopped raining, but it's still like so wet. It's starting to dry. Like on the sides of the ramps. It's starting to dry.
I was Daredevil yesterday, so now I want to fucking whip you.
I'm stealing Logan's scooter.
Yo, I ain't got nothing for hoes unless she the one that buy my soul.
Codeine crazy.
Out of town, in and out coops.
I'm putting on gloves. I'm putting on gloves because my hands are like literally cracking and it hurts so bad. Okay. I got the gloves on.
It's my brother, so I got 4 doors. Everything we say true. You live your life trying to press them hoes. K9.